Hi class, how are you? Nice to talk to you again. I'm going to talk about the chapter 1 and chapter 2, my ideas about it. The thoughts that I have about the role of communication and public speaking in our life. I think communication is basic for you humans. We need to talk with others to express our thoughts, our feelings, and to share information with others. The public speakers are a little bit more advanced communication. Is when I try to give my ideas to a certain number, not only one or two people. It's like a more certain number to express what I know and want to share with them. Is an elevate communication, if I say like that. My score of PRPSA, it was low. It was 89. And that was surprising for me because I'm really scared of talking in public. And I didn't expect that. I don't know if uh, I think I was sincere answering the questions, but for some reason my score was low. I think because I regulate my emotions when I'm talking to others. I try to follow the parameters and do the best way that I do, even if I shaking inside and I'm dying inside. But I try to manage my feelings to say that. What comments do you find yourself making of your reading review the value of communication competence? Like when a speaker is effective but not appropriate. This is kind of confusing, but at the end is like the way that we use the words. Like, for example, I'm very good at talking in Spanish and English. So I like to talk. I need to think a little bit more than in Spanish, but I'm good at talking. I don't have problems with talking with other people. I learn with the age that that's a way to get to relate with other people, to get relationship with other people. But I'm not effective because sometimes I send a confusing message to other people when the words that I use or the way that I use it. So I'm a effective communicator, but I'm not appropriate sometimes. Or can be the opposite, that it can be a very appropriate, distinguished speaker, but the message is not sent it good, it's not effective. It's kind of confusing, so I got the idea, but it's difficult to express it. And about the last question about the ethical standards of public speaking is like when the speaker evaluate those standards, when they lie, when they say, I think this and that, and for real was another author or another person who say it. Or when you address words of racism in your speech. Uh, or discrimination in your speech. Those kind of ethical problems, we need to be very aware of them. So thank you. That was my post. Bye.